What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. This week we're going to be doing something a little different. As my channel continues to grow, I really want to take the opportunity to explore, try new things and new concepts over here. So this week we're going to be doing 5 looks in 5 days. Kind of like an outfit diaries concept, showcasing fits that I wore throughout the week. Of course, not everything I put on makes it onto my Instagram, so these type of videos might be a great way to showcase those that missed the cut. I actually had a lot of trouble remembering what I wore this past week. I don't know about you guys, but I have horrible memory. I can't even remember what I had for lunch the day before most of the time, but I tried to chronicle these as accurately as possible. So yeah, let's get right into the first look, guys. Great for those work from home days, a loungewear sweatsuit set. This set is from the good folks over at Pangaea. It was a full-on stay-home day, catching up on all my work, plus getting a whole lot of editing done. Comfort is of the highest priorities when working from home, and a good loungewear set is a big essential. I don't actually wear shoes around the house, but the fast grey dunk highs look good in the video, so yeah. Day 2 was a day heading out for a quick lunch and running some errands. Just a really chill, easy fit. I really like the short sleeve shirt. It's a really simple piece for layering. Plus, the shorter sleeves give you plenty of mobility and ventilation. Great choice if you need to be on the move all day, running those errands. A good pair of baggy denim adds on to that mobility and comfort. One of my favorite pairs is this pair from Jacquemus. And of course, a proper sized bag to store all your things throughout the day. Mine is from Bottega Veneta. Another work from home day on day 3. I think I ended up going out for dinner with some friends later at night. Haven't brought out my Paris low ones in a while, so I decided to bust them out. I usually like pairing them with blue denim, but went for the cream cost denim this time around to switch it up a little. Blue acne tee to vibe off the blue tones on the Paris low ones. And a cream beanie just for a little more color matching. Pulling out some green for day 4. Full-on work day at the office where the air conditioning gets pretty freezing. Decided to pull out those acne cargos. Haven't worn those in a while too, but definitely one of my favorite pairs of cargos. Stussy Nike collab jumper for the coziness. Aimé dore cap with the off-white dunks to finish it off with some green hits. I really like this fit. It's cozy, chill, and the hits of green pretty much finish it off for me. And lastly, for day 5, we have a beach fit to finish it off. Took the day off with my friends and girlfriend to hit up the beach for a nice break. V-neck knits have been a big trend for men for a while now. I finally found one that I liked and that fit me proper. This piece is from Zara and cost about $69.90 or roughly $50 US. The fit on it is amazing, very nicely oversized, decent quality too, great for layering during those warmer seasons, or just wearing it on its own. Even on the beach, it's plenty airy because of the holes in between the knits. Jacquemus corduroy bucket hat, pairing with the mocha ones to complete that calm brown aesthetic. And there you go guys, that was 5 looks in 5 days. Let me know which is your favorite look, day 1 through 5. Again, not everything I wear makes it onto Instagram, so I figure these outfit diaries might be a great way to showcase those fits that don't make it, giving you guys more outfit inspirations, plus a little insight into how I style my outfits too. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for me today guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. And yeah, much love guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.